Welcome to raigurukul.com. In this video, we'll discuss about dial and speedometer report in ServiceNow. So whenever we are working on any ServiceNow related projects, it's always required to create interactive report for the business team so that they can check it on the business tracking point of view. ServiceNow reports are visualization of our data that we can share with the users on dashboards or even extracting or exporting in the PDF format as well. Or we can even directly mail it via email as well. These type of reports are always required when we are working in enterprises, and business teams are always requesting for this type of report. So we'll see here how to create dial and speedometer reports, what is report with practical example. So as I said, ServiceNow reports are visualization of our data that we can share with the users on dashboards and service portal, export to PDF and send via email. We can also edit, create, run, view, and share this report. ServiceNow system includes a range of predefined reports that provide data on applications and features like incident management and service catalog requests. We can also create our own reports, add reports on home pages, and dashboards to share information across our organization. So in this section, you can see here dial and speedometer provides a real-time count of an indicator. These charts cannot contain comparison or historical data. So here in the right panel, you can see this is the speedometer report and this is dial-up report or dials report. We can configure colors to display at a glance that values are within specified range. Dials and speedometer provides real-time count for the indicator. So if we want to indicate any specific data in red color, then value ranges low value of monthly value sells in worse than high value, but a low value for incident resolution time is better than a high value. So you would configure red for low values in the report for monthly sales and red for high values in the report for incident resolution time. Dials and speedometer also have different appearance. A speedometer shows numbers in the form of a round meter with a defined range. A dial shows where a score falls across ranges on a half circle dial. So this is seen on the half circle dials. When we want to create this type of reports, we have to directly jump to the ServiceNow login credentials, and from where we need to enter simply reports here. Once you click on the reports, you simply have to click on the create new, and from here you can write your required name of report. Let's say I'm giving here speedometer. Then the next section start with the data source. Data source is nothing but a table with filters applied to provide a single source of information for all the users. So here we have to select tables, and when we comes to the tables, it's nothing but raw data from a table with no filters applied. When we select a table, its short description appear below in the table name. So for trained, let's me select incident here. And once you'll click on the next, it will navigate to the type sections where you can speedometer. Select this and you'll find out it will import the speedometer report for us. You can see here the nicely created report is available. You can change the color. Even I want to click it through average, so you can give the average business resolution time or child incident time. So if you have good number of data inside your ServiceNow portal, you will find it out different colors are navigated here. We can also change their styles even in the titles, large, minimize, and these options are for the customization perspective. Configuration function fields based on the calculation of multiple inputs, including arithmetic functions. We can also aggregations provide the mathematical calculation to perform on the data. The default is count, where shows the number of records selected. So you can see here in the configuration section, I've selected here average. There are different sections are available like count, average, sum, and count distance. So these options we can use it for categorizing our data. Similar way, when we are looking for the dial-up report, simply you have to write dial-up here, select the same thing here. Next, go to the type and simply write here dial, and you will find it out. The format is available. We can use it according to our requirements. So you can see dial-up report is available here. Both the reports are customizable. We can customize it at any point of time. If I want to share with directly with the business team, I will simply click on this and share in via email, or even we can schedule it as well. If we want to export to the PDF, we can also do that, or we can add on the dashboard. There's 4 options are available. You can also save it. If you have changed anything from here, simply click on run and new report will be generated for you based on the current data. So this is a very simple enough. We can customize it and change it, and whenever required, we can share with the different set of user. So by this way, we have covered how to create speedometer report and chart report in ServiceNow. Hope you liked it. If really enjoyed the session, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. Thank you for watching.